Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fix this black desktop background issues on your Windows laptop or desktop. So let's start the video. The first method you can try is open task manager. So you have to press Control key, Shift key and Skip key. Press all the three keys together and this will open the task manager like this. Now on the left side, click on this process tab. After that, on the right side, you have to restart this Windows Explorer service. So you have to just right click on it, then after that click on restart. So you have to restart this Windows Explorer service. This is your first step you can try. But if you are still getting the same issue or this service is not showing, in that case you have to click on this option, run new task. You will see this kind of window. Now here you have to type a command, explorer.exe. So type this command and tick this option, then click on OK. So this is your first method you can try to fix this issue. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method you can try. Right click on the desktop, then click on this option, personalize. Click on this themes option. Now here you have to select a different theme. So in the most cases, if you select a different theme, this will fix the issue. So you can try this method as well. The next method you can try is again right click on the desktop, then click on personalize. Now here you have to click on this background app option, and here make sure the option in this personalize your background will be selected as picture. If this option is selected as solid color like this, in that case you will see this kind of black desktop background. So you have to select pictures, okay, like this. Now move on to the next method you can try. Click on this search box and type control panel. You will see this kind of result, control panel. Click on it. Now you have to click on this option, A is for access. Then click on this option, make the computer easier to see. Click on it. Now scroll down and you have to untick this option, remove background image. So untick this option. After that click on apply, then click on OK. That's it. Now move on to the next method. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option, device manager. This will show you all the drivers you have. Now you have to update your display driver. So click on this display adapter. After that, right click on your graphic driver, right click on it, then click on update driver. Then click on this option, second option, browse my computer. Then click on let me pick from. Now select the latest driver you have selected, then click on next. So this will reinstall your graphic driver. So this will also help you to fix this issue. The final method you can try is click on this search box, then type CMD. You will see this kind of option, command prompt. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator. Now here you have to type a command. So this will repair all the Windows corrupted files. So type this command carefully, then press enter. And this process will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. So as you can see, the process has been started. So after completing this process, cut this window and restart your system. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.